Good morning, students. Class 8th. So, chapter number 6, square and square roots, was completed, and now we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 16, and the name of the chapter is playing with numbers. So, students, here we will play with number. We may say that we are actually going to play with the numbers, and there is none kind of introduction or none kind of the formulas or any other concept is there which I should introduce. So directly I am going to start the exercise, and during that exercise a few things will be required to explain, and during my lecture I will explain such steps to you. So let us begin. So exercise 16.1, question number 1, as you can see on your screen, it's written already. Find the values of the letters in the following and give reasons for step involved. So as you can see, 3a plus 25, that is b2. We have to calculate the values of a as well as b. So students, we have to think in such a way, because we have to apply logic here. We have to play. So we have to apply the logics. So which number should be added to 5 to get 2? We have to get 2 here, and one missing number should be added to 5 to get 2. So that can be 7 only. Okay, because 7 plus 5, 12. Only 7 is the number which will be added to 5, and the last digit will be 2. So a should be 7, no doubt. Okay, I hope you understood this step. So replace this a by 7. When you will add this 7 plus 5, 12. Carry is 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6. So as you can compare these two, in place of b, automatically we are getting 6. So the value of b is going to be 6. So is 7 is the answer, and b is going to be 6. Sorry. Now students, question number 2. Find the values of the letters in following and give reason for the step involved. 4a plus 98, that is CB3. So here is none of the spaces available. I am solving it somewhere else. 4a plus 98. When we are adding these two numbers, we are getting CB3. So which number should be added to 8 to get 3? So our answer is 8 plus 5 is 13. Only 5 is the number when added to 8 will give the last digit 3. So a should be how much? 5. Once we will substitute a is equal to 5 in the equation. So this will become, in place of a there will be 5 plus 9, 8. Now add these numbers. So 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9, 14. Now students, as you can see, compare these two. In place of b, you are getting 4, and in place of c, you are getting 1. So b should be how much by comparing these two? 4. And c should be how much by comparing these two? That will be 1. And a already by the logic we have told that should be 5. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 1 are the answers for question number 2. Now students, question number 3 of the exercise, 1a into a gives 9a. Question number 3. 1a into a gives 9a. Now which number multiplied to itself? The last digit will remain same. So one number is 1, 1 ones are 1. Last digit also will be remaining same. And another number is 6. 6 6 are 36. Last digit will be the same number as we have multiplied. One more answer can be, one more possibility is 5. 5 5s are 25, even the last digit will remain same. So students, we should try all these number in place of a. Firstly, we have tried 1. In place of a, suppose we substitute 1. So 1 1 into 1, this will be 1 1. Now if you compare 9a to 1 1, you are not getting the same numbers. In place of 9, you are getting 1. So this is going to be wrong. Means this effort was fail. We should try another number. Suppose we try 6. So 1 in place of a, there will be 6 into 6. Now solve this. 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 1 are 6 plus 3, 9, 96. Now students, as you can see, you are getting the correct answer as 96, and here is also 9. So A is going to be 6. This is how we have tried and we have got the correct answer. Now students, let us solve question number 4 of this exercise, that is AB plus 37 gives 6A. AB plus 37 gives 6A. Now here, as you can see, whatever will be the value of A, that will remain here as well. Now students, what should be the value of A? Which number added to 3 will give 6? So we will find the number which should be added to 3 will give 6 should be 3. So suppose A is 3. We are not confirmed that A is 3. Suppose A is 3. Now substitute in place of A 3. So this will become 3, 3B and 3, 7. Now add these two. And how much you will get in place of A? There should be 3 and here is 6. Now 7 plus which number will give you 3? That will be 6. After adding 6 to 7, 6, 7, 13. So B should be 6. If B is 6 and we replace it by 6. So 3, 6, 3, 7. Now what will be your answer? 7 plus 6, 13. Carry is 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. Now students, here was 6A. We are getting 7, 3. So this number cannot be changed. Here it was 6 in our question. We are getting 7. So our assumption that A is 3 was wrong. Because A cannot be 3, as we are getting the wrong answer. So A can be less than 3, not greater than 3, because we have to get the answer 6 here. So replace A by 2. Try in place of A 2. So this will become 2B and 3, 7. When you will add this, what you will get? In place of this will remain 6 only, and in place of A you will get 2. Now students, what should be B? B will be 5, because 7 plus 5, 12. So A is 2 is showing the correct answer and B should be 5. Now if we replace it B by 5, what will be our answer? So 2 in place of B, there will be 5. 25 plus 37, that is 62, and there is no change in your answer. You are getting the same value. A should remain same. Here A was same, here also 2 is same. So A is 2 and B is 5. That's gonna be our answer. I hope you understood this. Now let us solve question number 5. AB into 3 gives CAB. AB into 3 gives CAB. AB multiply by 3 gives CAB. Which number multiplied to 3 gives the same number in the unit place? Means 3, suppose we multiply 3 to which number, that we will get the same digit in the unit place. That can be 5, because 3 5s are 15, and that can be 0 as well. 3 into 0, 0. So we should try both the numbers. Suppose we have to try both the numbers. Suppose once we try it 0, let B is 0. So A0 into 3. So this will become 3 into 0, 0. 3 into A, 3A. Students, we wanted now 3A and CA. Okay. Now this 3A and here is CA, both should be equal. Why both should be equal? Because this is according to our condition. So 3A should be equal to CA. Again, which number multiply to 3? Because 3 and A are in multiply. Which number should be multiplied to 3 to get the same digit in the last number? Which number should be multiplied to 3 to get the same unit place digit? And there are two possibilities. One is 5, another one is 0. But it cannot be 0 because all numbers will be 0 now. So that should be 5. So in place of A, we should replace it by 5. And when we will replace it by 5, 3 5s are 15. In place of C, which number we are getting? 1. In place of A, which number we are getting? 5. So B is 0 is our correct answer. And when we replace A by 5, so A we have replaced by 5, A is going to be 5, and we replace A by 5, you are getting the value of C as 1. So C is equal to 1. If you have any doubt, you may substitute all the values in the question. So AB, this will become A 5 and B 0 into 3. This will be how much? 150. 53 is 150. So C is 1, A will remain 5 only, and B is 0. So these all our answers are correct. Now students, let us solve question number 6 in your exercise, that is AB into 5 is equal to CAB. So similar kind of question. 5 should be multiplied to which number to give the same digit at the unit place? So that can be 0, that can be 5 as well. So these are the possibilities. Let us substitute B is equal to 0. Started by 0, so A0 into 5. So this will become 5 into 0, 0, 5 into A, 5A. Now students, this 5 into A should be equal to CA. By this means, by comparing these two, 5 into A should be equal to CA. What will be the result if 5A is equal to CA? Which number should be multiplied to 5 to get the same digit in the unit place? That can be 5 and that can be, okay, suppose that number is 0. It cannot be 0 because we will get only single number if we replace it by 5. So 5 5s are how much? 25. So now if we replace these all values, A is how much? A is 5, and by comparing this, C is how much? 2. Replace all these values here. So A is 5 and in place of B, that should be 0 into 5. How much you will get? 5 0 into 0, and 5 5s are 25. So C is how much? 2. Okay, and A is how much? A was already 5, and B is how much? That is 0. So B is 0. So that's gonna be correct answer. Now students, let us solve another question, that is 7th part of the question. And if we try any other number, we have tried for B is equal to 0. If we try B is equal to 5, or B can be 3 also, because 5, no, B can be 5 only. So if we try B is equal to 5, what will be the result? Here we have tried B0, I am trying it here, B is equal to 5. So what will be the result? A5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 into A, 5A plus 2. Now 5A plus 2 is equal to CA. That's gonna be a very complicated equation which is never going to be solved. So we should not try this. Instead, this is gonna be a correct answer. Now students, let us solve question number 7. AB into 6 gives BBB. AB multiplies 6 gives triple B. Which number should be multiplied to 6 so that the digit will remain the same? Means 6 into which number will give, which will not destroy the combination. The unit place digit will be similar. So we can try the number 0. 6 into 0, 0, same unit place digit. And we can try 6 into 3, 6 5s are 30, no, 6 4s are we may try, because we will get the same digit in unit place. We may try 6 5s are no, 6 6 are 36, yes, same number of unit place digit. So we have this much choices. And even 8, 6 8s are 48, same number of unit place digit. So start with 0, 0 cannot be because every number will be 0. 4, let us try B as 4. So A4 into 6, 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 6 A's are 6A plus 2, 6A plus 2. Okay, now 6A plus 2 should be how much? That should be equal to BB. And what is the value of B? B we have tried for, how much we have tried for B? B we are trying for 4. So this should be equal to 44. In place of BB, by comparing this, 6A plus 2 should be BB, means 44. Now when you will compare this, so plus 2 shifted there will become minus 2. So 6A is equal to 42 and A will be how much? 42 upon 6. That will be 7. So let us replace this. So we have calculated both the answers. A we are getting 7 and B we are getting how much? 4 we tried. So 7 4 into 6 will be how much? 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 6 7s are 42, plus 2 44. So it's totally fitted here, so that's gonna be correct answer. We have trial and we have got the success. So B is 4 and A is 7. So both are our answers. Now students, let us solve question number 8 in the exercise, that is A1 plus 1B, and that is given to us B0. Which number should be added to 1 to get 0? So that will be 9. So let us try B as 9, because 9 plus 1 10. So A1 plus 1, in place of B there will be 9, in place of B there will be 9. So 9 plus 1 10, carry 1. 1 plus 1 2. Which number should be added to 2 to get 9? So that should be 7. So A should be 7. So B will be 9 and A will be 7. That's gonna be answer. Now let us solve, students, question number 9. Question number 9 is 2AB and AB1. 2AB and AB1, that's B18. So which number should be added to B to get 8? That should be 7. So let us try as 7. So 2A, in place of B there will be 7, in place of B there will be 7, and in place of B there will be 7. We have replaced wheresoever it was B, we have replaced it by 7. 7 plus 1 8. Now 7 plus which number will give you 1? That is 4, because 4 plus 7 is 11. So we should try A is equal to 4, B is 7, already we have trial. So A will be 4. So replace wheresoever is A, replace it by 4. Now let us try this. 7 plus 1 8, 4 plus 7 11, carry 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7. So it's totally fitted there. Okay, even the value of B is not disturbed. So that's gonna be our answer. B is 7 and A is 4. Now students, that's gonna be our answer. So you will write it in the last. B is equal to 7 and A is equal to 4. Now students, after question number 9, let us solve question number 10. 1 2A plus 6AB. 1 2A plus 6AB. Answer is A09. 1 2A plus 6AB, and answer is how much? That is A09. Now which number should be added to B to get 9? Means here both the numbers are missing. We cannot solve this. So try here. 2 plus which number will give you 0? So 2 plus 8 will give you 0. So A should be 8. Let us try 8. So wheresoever there is A, replace it by 8. So 1 2 8 plus 6 8B gives, in place of A there will be 8, 8 0 9. So 8 plus which number will give you 9? That will be 1. So B should be 1. So students, A will be 8 and B will be 1. That's your answer. Now let us try this. B, replace it by 1. Is it fitted? 8 plus 1 9, 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 6 8. It's totally fitted there. So that's gonna be correct answer. Now students, we are in exercise 16.2, last exercise of this chapter, and let us solve this. So question number 1 of exercise 16.1. 21y5 is a multiple of 9. We have to calculate y. If 21y5 is multiple of 9, so it is divisible by 9. If a number is divisible by 9, then sum of digit is also divisible by 9. That's a property, remember. You can check it out. In table of 9, there is 18. Sum of the digit, that is 1 plus 8, 9. 9 is also divisible by 9. So if a number is divisible by 9, then sum of digit is also divisible by 9. Use this property. So what will be the sum of digits? Sum of digits will be 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5. 2 plus 1 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus y. And that should be divisible by 9. Now in table of 9, which is a number which is closer to 8, in table of 9, that is 9. So this should be equal to 9. Okay. So y will be how much? 9 minus 8. That will be 1. You may try any other number. means in table of 9 there is 18 also, so 8 plus y can be equal to 18. But if we will solve this, y will be how much? 10, which is not possible. Why this is not possible, not equal? Because y cannot be a 2-digit number. So there can be only one possibility, that is y is equal to 1 answer. I hope you understood this. Now question number 2 of this exercise. Three 1z5 is a multiple of 9. 3 1z5. Again same step we have to do. Sum of digits. That will be how much? 3 1z5. That will be 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. 5 plus 1 8. 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus z is a multiple of 9. Find z. So 9 plus z in table of 9. The very first multiple is 9. So z will be how much? 0 if we equate this. But 9 plus z in the table of 9, the another number is after this will be 18. So if we try it 18, then z will be 9. That is also possible. So there are two possible answers. Z can be 0, z can be 9. Now students, question number 3. 2 4x is multiple of 3. 2 4x is multiple of 3. So similarly calculate sum of digits. Now remember, this is given multiple of 3, not multiple of 9. So 2 plus 4 plus x. This will be 6 plus x. Now this should be equal to the multiple of 3, which is closer to 6. So which is the number closer to 6 and multiple of 3? That is 6 itself. So 6 plus x can be equal to 6. Then x will be 0. But this is not essential that this will be equal to 6 only. This can be equal to another number which is in the table of 3. So this can be 9 also. So x will be how much? In that case 3. And this is not essential that this will be equal to either 6 or 9. In table of 3 there are another numbers like 12. So if this will be equal to 12, then x will be how much? 12 minus 6. So x will be 6 in that case. And this is not essential that this will be equal to 12 only. This may be equal to 15. So x will be how much in this case? 9. Now students, we cannot try a new number. If we will try 18, then x will be 12. And x cannot be a double digit number. So these are the all possible answers. Now students, after this question in this exercise, the last question is, fourth question is 3 1z5. 3 1z5 is a multiple of 3. So firstly get the sum of digits. This will be 4 plus 5, 9 plus z. Now this 9 plus z, equate it to the number which is in the table of 3 and closer to 9. So that is which number? 9 itself. So z will be 0 in that case. If we try after 9 there will be 12. Then z will be how much? 3. If we try another number like z plus 9, if we equate it to 15, then z we will get 6. We may try another number, that is 18. So z we will get in that case 9. We cannot try another number because z will be a 2-digit number in that case. So these are the all possible answers. Now students, this exercise as well as this chapter is completed. I hope you understood this. So thank you. God bless you.